Alright, welcome back to my channel. This time we're going to be reviewing and unboxing, well, not reviewing, but just giving like a quick 1, 2, 3 on my thoughts on this Shark robot vacuum. This is not the 2-in-1, this just vacuums. I know there's another one with like a mop, but yeah, this isn't sponsored. This is just me needing this because my dog sheds like a pound of hair every day. So this is gonna help out with me not having to like kick around dust and dirt. So yeah, this is unboxing. It says like the dustbin is like 60 days, but I'll show you later. It's really, I mean, it depends on like, I guess your area, your like space that you're cleaning and like what you're cleaning. If you don't have pets, maybe it will last 60 days, but I think this will be like good for like a week tops. I empty it every day just because I'm not vacuuming anyways, so that's just the one thing I have to do. But yeah, so it comes in a box with like the little brush that I'll show you in a second in that red little packet, the vacuum and the dock where it comes and empties out the dustbin. So this is the brush that came in that red packet. You just flip it over and just press it down on this thing. It's gonna help sweep up things in the corners and against like your floor on the baseboard, and then it'll push it in. So I'm just plugging in the base here and like taking off the plastic. So yeah. That's satisfying. This QR code that you see here is going to be super simple. I'm just going to take a picture of that, and then that's going to download the app on the phone, and then I'll show you how to set that up. So I don't think I filmed it, but basically once you plug it in and then like turn on the button that's on the top of the vacuum, it finds the base automatically and starts charging. So all you have to do is just like plug in the base, and then here I'm just looking at the lights. It's basically just a power light to let you know that it is powered, and then a charging light that's the right of that light that you see on the top, and then a little button to eject the bin, and then you just throw it out. Okay, so here's the app that's gonna bring up your application, and then just like, do your authentication. I love how it says age 4+ years old. Can you imagine just like a 4-year-old using this to vacuum? But anyways, this is what pops up. United States or wherever you're from, just make sure to view the terms and conditions, and then once you're ready, you can just enter your email if you already have an account, but I didn't, so I had to press the sign in at the bottom and then put in my email and then password. I don't need you guys annoying me trying to hack into my vacuum and clean it when I'm trying to sleep, so that is blurred for the time being, but it's just simple. Just put it in, and then it'll send you a verification link which you press on your email. Then now you can sign in with your email and password. And once that's done, it'll ask you to send the notifications, and then it'll say there are no robots, so you have to get started. So you have to press pair my robot at the bottom, Then this is really funny. They have like cute little names. I really like Clean Elizabeth and Clean Latifah. I like Joshua too. That's really funny because it's playing off of the vacuum and shark names. So I just went with Clean Latifah because I just thought that was super hilarious. So now that's gonna be named under your robots, and then it's just gonna ask you for a permission little thingamajinger that we always get on the phone. So if you don't allow it, it won't like work. So you do have to allow it. So then just read through this. If you want, you can pause the video. But honestly, it's just showing you like really basic things, just like the dock. It's gonna charge at the dock, and then it's gonna connect the app to the phone. So all steps done. You can click that when you're ready. So just hit join and then next, and then you select your Wi-Fi from the list that shows up, and then of course enter your password. All right, and then it's gonna say this may take up to a minute to join the Wi-Fi. And then once it says I'm fully connected, it says it's ready to map. So I have it mapping, and it's not really going to clean. It's just going to go around with the little lasers to like get an impression of your home. So what I like about this is it has the lidar, which basically are like little lasers. I think we have it on the back of our phones. If you have like one of those iPhones that has it on the back, but it's pretty accurate. It goes like around chair legs and like basically everything, plant pots and like whatever. Um, this will bump into like if you have like dog toys or anything on the floor, it will push it out the way. I think the sensors only pick up anything that's like 4 inches and above. So if it's anything shorter than that, it's gonna just get pushed. Um, yeah. So after it maps, which takes about like 25 to 40 minutes, it'll be ready. This is the first error I got. It was like just take out the dust cup and then put it back in. So I just had to quickly like press down on the buttons in the back. I literally there was nothing in there. I guess it's just because it was new. So I literally just took it out and just put it back in, and then it was fine. I never seen it again. And I've been using it now for like 2 weeks. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm going to show you some clips of it going over like shag rugs in the bathroom and just like the amount of stuff that it picked up. So, yeah. And if anybody like has this and wants to know or is interested in this and would like to see a video on how to like maintain it after I've had it for some while, or like clean it out, the bin or the vacuum, let me know in the comments and I'll do that really quickly. And yeah, so once it like charges enough, you are going to be ready to map. Once it maps, it pops up like this, and then you can just go ahead and press like the add, and then drag in the room sizes, and then name the rooms. The only thing is, I will put a disclaimer: you cannot schedule the rooms individually. Like, let's say you want the kitchen done every day and just the kitchen, that's not an option right now. So I don't know why, and I don't know why it's taking so long because people wanted that feature since they ever came out with this, and I guess it's been like a couple of months, if not a year or two, since this has been available. But yeah, it will schedule every day if you want at any time. Just it will do the entire, I guess, area that is mapped. But this is a video of it going under the couch pretty seamlessly, so I really like that. I never went under the couch with like a regular vacuum cleaner, so this definitely gets like the little dust bunnies from the dogs and like anything that drops under there. I don't know if you have like M&Ms or something, that's great. Yeah, I guess my couch is high enough for it to go under, but yeah, you see it like does like a pretty thorough job, like this area, and it goes on the rugs and carpets. Even like you're gonna see like a scale. It literally just like goes around the scale. It even like rolled on top of it, so it doesn't get stuck easily at all, which was really cool. Cause before this, I didn't even vacuum in the bathroom. I had to like manually take out the rugs and like mop and everything. So this is really convenient. So this is a dustbin after like my first time running it. And this is even after I vacuumed in the morning. I picked up the vacuum cleaner in the afternoon and I did a vacuum, and that's how much came out. So my dog either sheds a lot or this vacuum cleaner got in nook and crannies that I couldn't get with the regular vacuum cleaner. And I never seen this on the floor. So if it wasn't for this, I would be kicking all of this around and just like breathing it in and everything. So this is like really convenient and it's such a good helper. So I definitely recommend this. If you have saved up for it or have the budget, um, or if you like hire a cleaning person or you vacuum like basically daily or twice a week or whatever because you have to because of your pets, definitely look into getting this sometime in the future. Super happy with it.